place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them.
This place has burgers here, which has, they have like
Tigger, Rare Rabbit, and Rare Bear on their fun-filled adventure.
I'm trying to think if there's a place that has a beef dip. I don't think there is.
The train ride at Disneyland. Long lines here today, lots and lots of people. Place to eat. We got all these trees here in front of us.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, last outpost in these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontiers that looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Well, there's a little bit more blue in the sky now.
Yeah. Looks like we might get hot. I think it's been a beautiful day. Massive crowds here at Disneyland, California.
There is a revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Okay, that's fine. Here's this ride.
I'll look at the menu and I'd probably get the fat rolls.
Oh, from Plaza Inn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll look at the menus. Yeah. We can't pre-order, right? We can't pre-order.
No, you don't need to at that place. I don't think they let you. I mean, maybe they... when COVID first went over, they did have a thing where you could mobile order. I don't think they do now. Check and see, though. Does it have an option? I don't think they do. It's a cafeteria style type restaurant where you just get in line and you get a tray, you know. Yeah. They can handle large crowds, so it's easy to get in and out of there.
Official train station for Mickey's Toontown. The cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a stop. Remember your personal belongings, then step carefully from the train. Have fun, and say hi to Mickey and Minnie. Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
Alright, here we are at Mickey's Toontown Depot. Please remain seated until the train stops completely. This is the gateway to Fantasyland. It's also your stop.